There are times when your taste buds just want something different. So why not try Mexican with a little Jamaican twist?
If you're on the North Coast, especially Ocherius, and you're feeling the crave of Mexican food, Papi Chulo is the place to go. So right now with Mike and Jamila, I'm going to tell them about Papi Chulo. First of all, the name Papi Chulo, where that come from?
Originally it's from a Drake song. Micah actually picked the name Papi Chulo. Definition behind the name is Pimp Daddy. The English term, rather.
I'm not a pimp though.
Like, I noticed that you guys basically, have the cafe and the Papi Chulo, like, it's a combination of brands. Like, all guys decide to start this branding.
Ochi is foreign, right? So you come and Ochi, you want jerk chicken and seafood. Nothing is really here for the local. So we want to bring Mexico to the local. So we call it Mexican style food with Jamaican spices and herbs and so forth.
How long have you guys basically started this mission right now?
So we started, was it January 2022 actually. So that's approximately 2 years, 2.5 years ago. Had the idea of a Mexican restaurant, and like Jamila said, there was a need for it. There's just like seafood in Ocherius. So I had the idea and I had the expertise, so I brought it to her and we just put our minds together and said, hey, we can try this, can give it a try. And we started from home actually.
Yeah.
In our living room, in our kitchen, everything started from home until we got our chance. We got a little shop on the opposite side of the street. But it was so hard to get to that location. Like, the road was so busy, it's on a highway. Everyone was complaining about, hey, I want to try Mexican food, but your location is so discreet, it's hard to get there. So, we took our time until we got this location, and things have been going up ever since.
When I travel, right, I tend to basically try to find Jamaican food wherever I go. But you're in Jamaica, people don't really like try not outside of the box. You have the slogan where Jamaican meet Mexico, like how you combine like food.
Exactly, but that's our selling point right there, exactly what you said. When you go overseas, you try to get the local food there. So now Jamaica, so we said, hey, let's try Mexican food. The locals aren't used to it, let's introduce something new to them. So we have mixed feelings, but mostly positive. Everybody's like, oh, we never tried Mexican food yet. Glad you guys brought it here. The taste is so different from everything I've tried. Everyone was talking about, oh, I'm tired of the rice and peas, tired of the jerk chicken, the fried chicken and all of that. Of course, we still love the local food, we love the Jamaican food, But it's good to give a difference, give a change.
What's the go-to meal you have to try? Like, this is a meal that's gonna stand out.
Personally, I love the chicken quesadilla. It tastes so good, so different. It's like pizza in a tortilla. So you have chicken, pico de gallo, black beans, cheese. It's just on our own homemade sauce. Everything that we have here is homemade. It's Jamaican.
And what do you think is the most intense thing about Papi Chulo?
I think it's the crowd. Everybody just rushing in, especially on the weekends. Everybody coming in, just try to get everybody order because it's so unfamiliar. Everybody wants to know. Everybody keep asking questions. What is this? What is this? I never heard of this. So what does it look like? What does it taste like? So that rush, we love it. We love that rush. Sometimes it might get overwhelming, but that's the rush that we love. All right, that's what's so intense about Papi Chulo.
So if you don't have a passport, you don't have to go to Mexico. Papi Chulo is here to stay. Mexican food's the best way, Jamaican. Check them out.